Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Cork Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2020 GMC Yukon XL Denali. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Tons of room back here. Nice armrest. Fully automatic windows. Just really nice. This one's finished in onyx black over cocoa and dark atmosphere. Really nice interior color combination. 6.2 liter V8, 10-speed automatic transmission for a total vehicle price of $82,565. Further ado, let's go ahead and take it out on the road, see how it drives. The 6.2 is a really good transmission. Engine. And the 10-speed is a great transmission. Of course, my luck, it's gonna be full of traffic right here. Alright, we're good. The thing I love about these is just how awesome they are to drive. It's unlike anything else, just the luxurious feeling while also feeling like a truck. It's just really one of the most unique SUVs out there. Visibility is great given the overall size of this vehicle. Able to back it up, no issue. Blind spots aren't too bad at all. Nice heads-up display. Not sure if you're going to see it on camera. You should be able to. Overall steering feel is actually not bad. Not a ton of body roll either. Do have radar cruise control as well as forward collision avoidance. Every feature you would come to know and love. Oh man. Overall, this thing is absolutely awesome. I'm a huge fan of the Yukon, especially in this Denali trim. And even though it's $82,000, I could see this thing going for $100,000. It's really that nice. So thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.